Hello everyone. What is this video about? Do you want to earn a little bit of extra money on the side? I've already showed you what freelancing is and also how you can post your first gig. Today I'll give you 6 more Fiverr gigs to help you start and actually consider doing freelancing jobs if you still haven't. I have a complete video explaining about freelancing, but let's just quickly look at it. Freelancing is providing services online, like removing background, proofreading and so on. You earn according to your skills and experience. However, in this video, you will get 6 gigs which needs little to no experience. Please don't hold back from signing up into these freelancing websites. Please don't come up with excuses such as, my English not is very good, or I'm not even skillful enough to make a dot. Now prepare yourself to take notes and follow along. Let's create 6 gigs together. How to make money on Fiverr with no skills? By doing these 6 easy Fiverr gigs. Gig number 1, removing background from images. I already have a complete video on this and I'll leave the link in the description. I'm repeating it here to remind you to start freelancing now. In this gig, you can use remove.bg, PowerPoint or Photoshop to remove background from the image and make money online. As you can see, you can charge around $5 and people get from 200 to 500 clients. Gig number 2, another easy Fiverr gig, another freelancing website gig is commenting on blogs. There are so many blogs online and I'm sure you visit one every day. Now would you trust the contents of the blog if there was no positive comment? Comments are important for blogs and also YouTube videos. Without comments, it will be hard to start a conversation in a blog and also find the next topic for your YouTube video or next blog. So what people do is, they head over to Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork or other websites and they find a gig where people make manual blog comments. On Fiverr, you can see that freelancers charge from $5 to $20 and get as much as 500 clients. So manual blog comments on Fiverr or other freelancing websites will help turn a blog from boring to amazing. And best of all, you need zero experience to do this gig. Gig number 3, another most wanted Fiverr gig is virtual assistant. In times like this, many people are working from home and they need a virtual assistant. And when we search for virtual assistant on Fiverr, we can see that the price starts from $5 and goes up to $40 per hour. The freelancers has already sold over 100 to 500 gigs. Now you must be asking, how can I do this? All you will have to do is type something for a client or maybe proofread their email or letter. You can also do some research work to assist your client. You can offer hourly charges and earn more if you spend more than 1 hour. Gig number 4, Facebook Messenger, Viber and other chatting apps has changed the spelling of some of the words we write. We use the letter U to replace the word you and use the letters UR instead of yo. Some of us even type GN to say good night. If you couldn't guess the gig yet, it's proofreading. When typing hundreds and even thousands of words, we end up using these words or even making other mistakes. But if we read it ourselves, you won't be able to pick those mistakes as our brain already knows what's written. But if a new person who doesn't even know what the article is about reads it, he or she will pick every little mistake in the article. That's where you come in. As you can see, the price can start from $5 and go up to $100. And freelancers get around 700 clients. If you're thinking your English is not good enough, you can use Grammarly to copy and paste and get all the errors fixed. I'll leave the Grammarly link in the description. You will also improve your grammar while using Grammarly and doing these gigs. Gig number 5 is translation jobs. This is another easy freelance job if you are able to speak more than one language because people want to share their work globally and this may require a written translation. So let's take a look at English to Hindi translator gigs. Sellers charge around $5 and only a few got more than 200 clients. But changing it to Hindi to English will give you a different result, or English to Spanish. It depends on what other language you speak. You can use this gig to approach YouTubers. YouTubers from India are trying to target US viewers so they can earn more because clicks from US gives more earning per click. Hence they will need an English subtitle for their video or maybe their blog translated to English. I'm just taking Hindi as an example because that's my first language and hello in Hindi is namaste. So if you are fluent in more than one language, consider starting this Fiverr gig. Gig number 6 and the last but the highest paying gig in this video is infographics designs. You might need a little bit of skills, but there are various free websites and also softwares that will help you with this. Now this may sound complicated, but you have to realize that the client will provide all that stats and data. You won't have to do any analysis or anything. All you will have to do is to go to Venngage or canva.com and get this done for free and with few clicks. Just choose a template, put in the data and you are done. Searching for this gig on Fiverr gives results that starts from $10 and goes up to $250 and the sales go as high as $1,000. Bonus tips, when creating gigs, try to give some extra services for extra price. For example, after removing background, you can charge extra to put another background that your client wants. Tip number 2, You can provide 3 levels of service. Try to come up with catchy titles for them. Also put some extra things your clients can get for free if they purchase a higher level of service. For example, in your lowest level service, you translate 250 words for $5. In the second level, you translate 750 words for $10. So a client is getting 250 words translated for free. Final tip, and the most important tip. If you just watch videos like this and don't take action, you will never find out how easy or hard something is to start. Once you start with something, you will unlock the doors to your ideas and techniques will come to you automatically. And you will realize you know a lot. Please start today. Create all these gigs and patiently wait. Once you get your first sale and your 5-star rating, then you will realize how easy and amazing this freelancing is. I mentioned about 2 very important videos at the beginning, and here they are. Head over and watch them to benefit more. Thank you for watching. Take care.